Welcome back to The Legend of Grimrock, where we play The Legend of Grimrock. And I accidentally hit options. And now we're loading. Isn't that amazing? The wonders of the universe. So, I don't really remember what was going on. But there's a crystal, so... we do have a key. Does the key fit here? Oh, no, it's gone forever. Well, that's too bad. We have a compass, a spell which we can't use yet because someone isn't high enough level. And we have a lot of torches. We need more mana. The mana gets restored when we sleep. Yes, it does! Amazing! Perfect! Love this game. And we're away. So this is probably where we came from. Maybe this is where we came from. Okay, so we gotta open this door. So we need a key. Another key. We already used the last one, and we have a lot of shields for reasons. Which we don't really need them. But that's how the world works, obviously. We have a sack, which we can put stuff in. This can be the torch sack. Oh, almost all the torches fit in it. Perfect! And this is something that's healing, probably. Yeah. And then there's those shields, which I don't know if I should give to someone else. Nah, they don't need it. You're hungry, by the way. Eat this. Actually, are anyone else hungry? Nope. Then let's move on. I don't know where to go. Okay, I suggest we go this way. This is like where we was when I started. Oh wait, I remember this place. Oh, I opened the door because I'm awesome. Oh. Oh, what did I do now? Oh. I'm an idiot. Why do I have to run? What the hell did I do? I pressed the button. Let's do that again. That button closes that door. I don't know why I should do that. I don't think it's over here. How should I get past this? I remembered. But we didn't figure that out right now. Yeah, I'm probably already been here. Oh, Jesus. There's something here. A torch. Nice. Nah. Yeah, I've already been here. I said it many times now. So let's just move on. In fact, when I think about it, I think this was where we were stuck. Maybe. That could be what's happening. It's not unlikely. I've been stuck before in games. It sucks, I know. Oh. Oh hey, there's the key. Awesome. Oh hey, and more throwing knives. I can ditch that stupid rock. I'm sorry, Rock. We might need you later. But for now we don't. You know what? I am so awesome. Totally figured it out. Cause I'm a boss. Yeah, I'm a boss. Okay. Okay. This is a roll of poison mold. You hold that. Poison mold. Earth Magic 7. Damn it. Oh hey, another throwing knife. That can come in handy. And time for a puzzle. Well, there's an enemy on the other side, so I don't really want to go over there. It looks like I have to. If I find out how. Excuse me, do you know how to get over here? Oh, that certainly doesn't work. Okay, so I found this button. And I'm a genius. Now we have to own this sucker. Because that's what we do in this game. Whoop! Oh, you thought you could do that, did you? That was the wrong button. So right click. And throw knife. Whoa, that was actually pretty easy. And we got more food. That's awesome. This game is so intense.